Hey there! Welcome to Slow English Practice. We'll help you improve your English little by little with simple and slow conversations. Let's listen, understand, and learn together.
Hello? Is that you?
Yes, it is me. Good morning.
You look different today.
Really? How do I look?
You look calm. You look happy.
That is funny. I feel very strange.
Why do you feel strange?
I have a big secret today.
A secret? Tell me.
I do not have my phone.
What? Where is it?
It is at my house, on my bed.
Did you lose it?
No, I forgot it.
Oh no, that is terrible.
Is it terrible? I am not sure.
How do you survive?
It is hard, but I am okay.
Tell me about your morning.
Okay, it started badly.
Why?
Usually, my phone wakes me up.
Yes, the alarm clock.
Today, no alarm, so I slept late.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8 a.m.
That is very late.
Yes, I was in a panic.
Did you check your messages?
I reached for my phone, but it was not there.
That is a scary feeling.
Yes, my hand felt empty.
So you got up fast.
Very fast. I washed my face. I dressed up.
Did you eat breakfast?
I ate a quick toast.
Did you read the news?
No phone, no news.
So you just ate?
I just ate. I looked at the wall.
Was it boring?
A little bit, but my mind was quiet.
Then you went out?
Yes, I walked to the bus station.
How was the weather?
Usually, I check the weather app.
But not today.
Today, I opened the window.
And
It was cold. I needed a jacket.
the real world is better than an app.
Sometimes, yes.
Did you wait for the bus?
Yes, I waited for 10 minutes.
What did you do?
I looked at the people.
What were they doing?
Everyone was on their phone.
Everyone?
Yes, old people, young people, children.
Did they look at you?
No, nobody looked at me.
That is sad.
They looked at their screens. They looked like zombies.
Phone zombies.
Yes, I felt like the only human.
Did you want your phone then?
Yes, I wanted to listen to music.
I love music on the bus.
Me too. The bus is noisy,
Without music, it is loud?
very loud. People talk, cars honk.
So you just listened to the noise?
Yes, it was annoying at first.
But then?
Then I relaxed. I watched the street.
You saw the shops?
I saw a new bakery. I never saw it before.
See, you miss things when you look at a phone.
You are right. I miss a lot of things.
Then you arrived at work.
Yes, I sat at my desk.
What time was it?
I did not know.
You have no watch?
No, I use my phone for the time.
That is a problem.
I asked my friend, "What time is it?"
What did he say?
He said, "Look at your phone."
People are funny.
He said, "I have no phone."
He was surprised.
Very surprised. He told me the time.
How was your work focus?
It was amazing.
Really? Better?
Much better. No distractions.
No ping sounds?
Zero pings. I worked for 3 hours straight.
Did you finish your tasks?
Yes, I finished everything early.
That is a big success.
My boss was happy. I was happy.
But what about breaks?
Usually on my break, I play games.
Candy Crash?
Yes, or I watch videos.
Today, no videos.
Today, I made coffee and I stood by the window,
Just thinking?
just thinking and breathing.
It sounds like meditation.
It was like a mini holiday.
Did you feel lonely?
A little bit. I missed my group chat.
Your friends send many messages.
Yes, funny pictures, jokes.
You have FOMO,
What is FOMO?
fear of missing out.
Yes, I had FOMO.
You thought, what are they saying?
Exactly. I wanted to know the jokes.
But life goes on.
Yes, the world did not stop.
What happened at lunchtime?
I went to a cafe.
Alone?
Yes, alone.
That is brave.
Usually, I look at my phone when I eat alone.
To look busy?
Yes, so I don't look lonely.
So today you just sat there?
I just sat. I ate my salad.
Did people look at you?
I don't know. I looked at the food.
How was the salad?
It was fresh. I tasted the tomato
You ate slowly.
very slowly. I enjoyed it.
Did you take a photo of the salad?
I wanted to. It looked beautiful.
But no camera.
No camera. So I took a photo with my eyes.
A memory photo.
Yes, it is in my brain now.
After work, did you go home?
Yes, but I had a problem.
What problem?
I needed to buy milk,
That is easy.
but I did not know the supermarket time.
You couldn't check Google Maps?
No Google Maps, no hours.
So what did you do?
I walked to the shop. I hoped it was open.
Was it open?
Yes, I was lucky.
That is an adventure.
Life without a phone is an adventure.
Small things become big things.
Yes, I felt like an explorer.
When you got home, were you tired?
I was tired physically, but my eyes were good.
Usually your eyes hurt.
Yes, the blue light hurts my eyes.
Today, no headache.
No headache. I felt clear.
That is wonderful.
I saw my phone on the bed.
The moment of truth.
It looked like a black stone.
Did you run to it?
No, I looked at it. I waited.
You did not touch it immediately?
No, I changed my clothes first.
You are very strong.
I learned something today.
What did you learn?
I am the boss. The phone is not the boss.
That is a powerful lesson.
I control my time.
So, did you check it later?
Yes, after dinner.
How many notifications?
So many. 60 messages, 10 emails.
Was it important stuff?
No, it was mostly rubbish.
Really?
Yes, spam emails, funny videos, nothing urgent.
So you didn't miss anything big.
No, the world is fine. My friends are fine.
Will you do this again?
Maybe not a whole day.
Why?
Because it's hard for work and maps are useful.
Maps are very useful.
But I will change my habits.
How?
No phone in the morning.
For how long?
Maybe 1 hour after I wake up.
That is a good start.
And no phone at dinner.
I like that rule.
We need to talk to real people.
Yes, real faces, real voices.
Phone calls are okay, but texting is too much.
I agree. Texting is endless.
Do you want to try it?
Try what?
Leave your phone at home tomorrow.
Oh, I don't know.
Are you scared?
Yes, I need my music.
You can sing.
I sing very badly.
That is okay. Nobody cares.
Maybe I will try for 1 hour.
Start small. Go for a walk without it.
Okay, just a walk to the park.
Leave the phone. Look at the trees.
I will try it tomorrow.
You will like it. I promise.
Thank you for telling me about your day.
You are welcome. It was good to talk.
You should go sleep now.
Yes, I am tired.
Do not look at your phone in bed.
I won't. I will read a book.
Perfect. Good night, friend.
Good night. Have a nice evening.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Wait, I have one more question.
What is it?
What about emergencies?
What do you mean?
If you get hurt, how do you call help?
That is a good point.
That is my big fear.
But people are everywhere.
So you can ask a stranger?
Yes, most people are kind. They will help.
That is true. We are not alone.